Hello, Matu Jamia, अपने साथ Zornbill TV. January 28 day, Dimapur District Auto Drivers Union laga President Tito Yeptomi ekta press conference hall krishi. Aro krishi ki auto drivers kan February 1 pra shuru kuri gina rate laga booklet ekta bukhi bole mandatory hoi jabo krishi. Abi details.
Hornbill TV te yere Dimapur District Auto Rickshaw Drivers Union laga office te ahi gene ase Dimapur de yere ahi gene thaka nishna itia laga specially Dimapur aru Chumuki Dima khan karne matter kuribole thakya laga ekta khobor ani ase itu to ki laga ase koile do Dadu office pra yate tai khan laga notun rate laga booklet ulai dise booklet to itu ase passengers khan kun auto de travel kuribo itu booklet to look out kuribi apni an rate jani wole mon ase koile itu booklet saishe koile to rate to pai jabo aru kuma time de itu rates la bi doubt thakishe koile to apni an driver khan ge misa gwas na hosa gwas itu jani wole booklet itu do tahange mangile tahan itu diwo aru itu do booklet to apni an rate to yare brahi cholaise gole dhoka na khawo itu eklai noile apni an itu booklet to original ase koine kina janiwo koile to yare dadu laga president la holi bi signature to last day thagiwo koi gene moi khan apni an ge itu la khobor ani dia je koi dia nishna itu booklet te driver khan laga hat te thaka nai koile to drivers khan ge holi bi penalize kuribole laga holi bi khobor bi digina ase man itia itula details loi gene jabo holi itula age ekbar yere dadu office karne ekta dangor development de man huni paise ki once again Tito Yeptomi tai laga third term karne dadu laga president elect hoise koi gene khobor paise man itia itu booklet laga itu rate laga booklet itu eklai holi bi president notun elect hwala holi bi details sai gene jabo
mula tiner to khotam hoise holi bi tahambra aro bi moge morom lagi gen another 3 years aro moge extension kor dise aro mobi 6 years lagate poncha na poncha kan bi bise ase holi bi tahambra aro amige morom gore gen another 3 years extension kor dise aji apni hange matia tu hodai amigan red karni hodai driver aro passenger bidore jagra hoi thake holi bi last year bra bane gena itu sali inaugurate kuro kono koi gena ase aro kuro le parise date 26 pra aro tate red sob likhi de gena ase sob jaga laga to it garni passenger kan bi luole mon thakise gole ami ngel auto driver union hat pra office pra lo pare aro auto drivers kan do injor la parking te pathai diwo itu red book to it garni apni kan bi sob bi itu red book lugine berawi auto drivers kan auto drivers kan kun itu red book login na baro itu to penalize kurbo aro passenger kan bi gari ti uthe tamde moromra jagra na kuribi holibi driver ke tai itu red book ase na nai apni kan na jani che gule driver ke red book hudo hudibi blue color thagibo itu red book hudibi aro tate sob likhi gena ase around Dimapur apun ko de jaile ko to sob jaile tate likhi thagibo itu hesa pura jai dibi aro tate hoya apni bishi diwole mon thaki jegula apla khushi ase apni apna oborte ase lebi itu bishi brado diwona parbo aro driver bishi mangise gule itu driver ke penalize koribo aro itu driver holebi apni kumti role mon aso apla khushi ase holebi itu da red ki ase tade jabi thank you olop jaga de to touch kurigina ase main jaga to choi nai holebi tu thik ase holebi area নাম itu অলপ আলাগ কৰি কিনে থাকিছে কাৰণে itu area kan অলপ straight কৰি দিছে আৰু rate to government কি দিগেন আছে itu দিগেন আছে no red book to আমি গান 26 জানুৱাৰী পৰা ৰিলিজ কৰি দিছে red book to হলিবি আমি গান নিজৰ লাগা পাৰ্কিং তে পঠাই দিব itu পাৰ্কিং ইনচাৰ্জ আছে আৰু আমি গান এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বাৰছ আছে তাক নাতে পঠাই কিনে ড্ৰাইভাৰ খান কি দিবলৈ দিব আৰু public kangi luole mon takise goile aigina ami kan la office pa luo pare
to price is not free is
itu free of course ase ratila to itu ratila to driver apni kan bitor de negotiate kor lebi driver ratila to se rati to nori by 7-8 process hoi jabo lebi morning da to ki ase morning to around 5-6 pa ki ase government pra ki rate chola ase itu cholo yeah, obviously we have 100 to 150 staff working around Dimapur. Every corner we have executive members, parking in charge, please go and complain with them. Or else you can come to our office. That is in supermarket. Itu tu, iti bra cumutok bi jai, itu kan cumutok bi banai dige nase. Yeah, obviously man phone number kan bi dige nase. Aro, I think me 1 year है कि कोई दिशे महान ला parking ला in charge ला number kan सब parking दा dapai dige nase. Yeah, obviously we have American RTO boise district admission boise American boygen iki logo de bro American writing itu setting kurisha. Okay. Itu laga aban kiba aban information noile bi complaint tagisigol tate blue color t-shirt lagain tagiwo parking de noile bi tate auto driver bis tagiwo auto driver kan uniform blue color lagi dewo parking in charge kun ase tu hudibi noile tate executive members kun ase tate hudiwo pare no as I told na moi ko ase akibar koi dise tate auto lo driver hate tagiwo itu red book to so na jeni se gole auto driver ke hudiwo lai apna re pahan lo auto driver la red book ko dese na taki hudiwo na borna tate labrau tai ku jese ko destination to tate likhi tagiwo tate bra tangi hudibi itu bra tate chob likhi ke na se apin ko jese itla hisa par red di dibi
acha at present kiman registered ase auto drivers kan
dimapur ektakla hole to tagibo ini around 1-2,000 to tagibo see tahan uniform tagishe gole tahan I card tagishe gole ami hando office la bailo de ki ase taba tahan ye bandiwo mando tahan overcharge kurishe gole hole bi tahan la tai uniform na dagi kin tagishe gole tai I card na tagishe gole tai to obviously tai to driver no we have to do something to him we should man tahan ke police ke handover ko do na ki ko do to mani bailo bra ma ta ke bandiwo
इत्या गणे मान होबो आहिया दिन खान दे इने का अपडेट्स खान में आनी था यो होले भी कोई दिया निशना एकता दंगोर सवाल होले तो राती लगा रेट्स खान होले तो कस्टमर ड्राइवर लगा मजो दे ही डिस्कस करी बे क्वासे मोय खान फर्दर डिटेल्स खान भी तुला ऊपर भी अपडेट आनिबो आरो ताई खान लगा ऑफिस लगा साइट पर होले भी एकता बिशी दंगोर चैलेंज तो की ऐसे कोले इतु राती लगा रेट्स ला होले भी किना डील करो ताहान प्रेसिडेंट ब्रा क्वादो राती ला रेट्स होले तो कस्टमर ड्राइवर लगा मजो दे ऐसे क्वासे होले भी फ्यूचर दे इना दिगदारी खान भी आइशे गोले ना ताहान ला ऑफिस ते इना इश्यूज खान आइशे गोले तो ताहान किनिका इतु लगा इश्यू लोगो भी डील करो इतु कुमा दंगोर सवाल আছে हॉर्नबिल टीवी अपनी हान लोगो रे इना अपडेट्स आनी थाकिबो के क्रिस्टियन के हो कैमरा पर्सन जॉनसन हॉर्नबिल टीवी डिमापुर
MSME ecosystem के आगे लोई जाबले निमिदे सरकार पा equipped MSMEs to manage business efficiently. Entrepreneurship and business management and digital marketing trends and social media marketing for MSMEs koigina specialized capacity building program ekta 28 January de atoise subdivision de thagishe. Idu program do Department of Industries and Commerce pra organized krishe raising and accelerating MSME performance RAMP scheme pra ase aro World Bank pra support kriya laga ase. Dui din laga program do Jubilee Hall atoise town aro KPA Indoor Stadium azukhutu town de thagishe. Program de Sorimongyam entrepreneurship trainer pra training session de khota krishe tai business management strategies aro digital marketing approaches laga opor khota krishe. Dr. Samuel Akho Konyak P NCS Extra Assistant Commissioner atoise pra MSMEs majde entrepreneurial culture aro digital competence zaruri thagya krishe aro KKV Aomi District Project Associate District Industry Centers in Botopra participants can get scheme-based opportunities opor krishe. Tobashis representatives of Atoise Town Council entrepreneurs are youth can itu program de thagishe. (2023) May Day Manipur violence olaigina 200 nishina manu murishi aro 1000 manu pra nijor kor harishe. Idu mamla opor investigate kuribole karne committee form Korea de Supreme Court pra Justice Gita Mittal logode tai laga 3ta member committee laga tenure ro aro extend kurdishe. Idu laga faisla do committee pra mamla opor kam do kurigina jabole karni loishe kuigina kushe. Chief Justice of India Surya Kant aro Justice Joy Malia Bakchi laga bench de itu tenure extend kuribole manishe kuntu July 2025 de khotom hoishe. Committee form Korea pichide Manipur violence upor 42 report submit kurigina ase aro aha din debi aro submit kurobo kuigina Justice Geeta Mittal pa kushe. Manipur de hoi thagya jamala kundu ethnic clashes upor de ase mamla sabo nimide Justice Geeta Mittal logode tinta member logina 2023 August moina de committee do form kuridishe. Itia khata break lubo sai thagbe. Gauri bal pra kiniga dangor hoi jane bole mon ase gauri kane spunky kuigina dana introduce kriasi kuntu bal pra saigina gauri ge nutrition digina dangor banabule nimide ola laga ase itu do Mrs. Didi Poultry Khatkati Karbi Anglong Assam kuntu check ke do sorde ase tade pai jabo. Welcome back. Aji laga dangor khobor de Maharashtra State laga Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar ko Nationalist Congress Party Chief PSA tai plane crash de murishe ko kina jani paise. Pawar logo de tai laga close aide Vidip Jadhav, Personal Security Officer Pinky Mali, Pilot Captain Sumit Kapoor aro Co-Pilot Sambabi Patak pi thagishe kun khan bi murishe ko kina koise. Itu laga hadsa do Baramati de land krubule homoy de hoise ko kina Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA pra janaishe Pawar pra Paramati de Zila Parishad poll hobole thagya laga election rally de attend kurobo nimide phujor 8 baji nishna de Mumbai pra olaishe Maharashtra Deputy CM eniga achanak murija khobor pa pra politicians ekla nohoi holibi leaders aro desh laga manusya pra bishi afsos wa dikhi pai ase edo afsos homoy manibo karne Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis pra state holiday aro 3 din karne afsos kriya din thagibo kogina announce kurdishe.
महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री और जमीन से जुड़े हुए जननेता श्रीमान अजित दादा पवार इनका एक विमान के एक्सीडेंट में बहुत ही दुखद निधन हुआ है। इसकी वार्ता आने के बाद समूचे महाराष्ट्र में बहुत ही दुख का वातावरण तैयार हुआ है। हम सभी के लिए इस प्रकार के जननेता को खोना एक अपरिमित इस प्रकार की हानि है। व्यक्तिगत मेरे लिए वो एक बहुत ही दमदार और दिलदार इस प्रकार के मित्र थे और हम दोनों ने साथ में काफी संघर्ष का काल भी देखा है और अब दृढ़ता के साथ महाराष्ट्र के विकास में जब वो योगदान दे रहे थे और एक बहुत लंबी पारी वो खेलेंगे ऐसी परिस्थिति थी, ऐसे समय उनका निकल जाना मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि इसके लिए हमारे पास कोई शब्द भी नहीं है और उनके परिवार पर और उनका जो बृहद परिवार है राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी उसके पदाधिकारी कार्यकर्ताओं पर ये जो दुख आया है ये सहना बहुत कठिन है। इस दुख की बेला में हम सब लोग उनके साथ में हैं। अभी जो उनका परिवार है वो जब बारामती पहुंचेगा उसके बाद उनसे चर्चा करके आगे की सारी चीज़ें ज्ञात की जाएगी। मैं उप मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ जी शिंदे हम सभी लोग अभी कुछ समय में बारामती जाएंगे और उसके बाद आगे की चीज़ें आप तक हम पहुंचाएंगे। सुबह मैंने आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को और आदरणीय गृह मंत्री जी को इसकी पूरी जानकारी दी। उन्होंने भी इस घटना पर बहुत दुख व्यक्त किया है। सभी लोग एक प्रकार से शॉक में है और अब आगे की जो भी कार्रवाई है वो जैसे तय होगी वैसे आप लोगों को बताया जाएगा।
नागालैंड सरकार पर स्टेट कार्यालय कलक फील्ड पर डेवलपमेंट आनी थगिया निशना आज जनवरी 28 दिन देबी एकता नतुन डेवलपमेंट कुंदु पर नागा मनु और फॉरेन देश जापान मजुदे मिलिगिना काम कुरबले कारणे नागालैंड जापान कनेक्ट 2026 इनॉग्रेट कुरदिशे इनॉग्रेट प्रोग्राम दो एडवाइजर फॉर सीएम अबू मेहता पा लुइगिना जाय इनेगा होइगिना डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर टीआर जिलियांग पा कीनोट एड्रेस दिशे ताई लोगोदे इंडस्ट्रीज एंड कॉमर्स एडवाइजर हेकाने जाखलो प्राबी खोता कुरशे नागालैंड जापान कनेक्ट 2026 तगा प्लेटफॉर्म पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बिशियानिबो अखा कुरिगिना चार्टर एमओयू साइन कुरशे।
Center of Excellence for Foreign Languages, established in Nagaland University.
The whole intervention and initiative to address unemployment, if my memory is correct, it started sometime in 2004 and 5, which our Deputy Chief Minister is aware of. He was the Member of Parliament at that point of time. There was a lot of unemployment issue in Nagaland at that point. That point as well, and this is not just a Nagaland issue. It's an issue world over, everywhere. There's an issue. So we remember there were many young people who were who went out, facilitated by the government of Nagaland, and today many of them have come back, and they are continuing to contribute with their experiences to the state, contributing to the local economy, and also we have many young people who continue to stay outside and earn their own livelihood, live a good life, and also send money back to their parents and families here in Nagaland. If you look at 2011 census, we have seen the video here, so it says about 63% is the working age. If you look at the 2011 census, we can see that more than 60% are below the age of 35, which means more than 10 lakh people. So it's not 200, 300 young people who are sitting here that is looking for a job, but more than 10 lakh people are in the job market. I mean, you just have to go and look for a living, look for an opportunity that will help you sustain your life.
This connection fostered mutual understanding, shared responsibility, and long-term cooperation, values deeply respected both Nagaland and Japan. Today, we are seeing tangible result. Youth from Nagaland employed in Japanese companies, steady income generation, remittance strengthening families back home, and growing international confidence in Nagaland human resource potential. This model demonstrates how targeted approach can unlock private sector opportunities, generate economic return, and provide global exposure for our youth. This is progress that is inclusive, sustainable, and forward-looking. As we move ahead, our focus will be on responsibly scaling this effort, expanding training, strengthening partnerships, and aligning skills with global demand, while ensuring transparency, dignity of labor, and long-term career pathways.
We're very happy to be organizing this Nagaland Japan Connect. It is a project and a program that is being organized under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Neiphiu Rio. The aim of this project is to create opportunities for jobs, for employment, for placements for our Naga talents in Japan. It is a result of an MOU that was signed between Nagaland government and the government of Kochi Prefecture in Japan. The first ever MOU signed between our government and a government of another country. Specially initiated by the Chief Minister, he himself went to Japan and interacted with the officials, met the high dignitaries, signed the MOU and came back. That was a few months back last year. And this year in January, the first month itself, we're very happy to be launching this program. We have the government representatives of Kochi here with us, and we have 8 companies and Japanese corporates which are present here to conduct interviews for placements of our youth in Japanese jobs. I'm happy to say that at present we have about 300 plus Nagas who are already working in Japan. Each of them earning an average, if not more, of 1,20,000 rupees. We did a economic impact survey and we found that they are sending each person who's working in Japan earning 1,20,000 rupees is sending at least 40,000 rupees back to Nagaland as a saving. That economic impact in the coming years, if we upscale these employment opportunities to a few thousand, 2,000, 3,000 in the coming years, that economic impact will run into hundreds of crores. We are also taking this project in a very cautious manner because to ensure that our youth are protected, we have sent a high-level delegation to Kochi, to Japan, personally inspected all the facilities, saw their living conditions, their work conditions, interacted with them, and it is only after that that we signed and exchanged the MOU. Today, Kochi government is giving us all support. We are grateful to the Ministry of External Affairs for vetting the MOU. This MOU is vetted and approved by Government of India. Only after that we could go to Japan and sign this MOU. So we're grateful to the Government of India for the support. We're grateful to Kochi government for the support. And we hope that this will open doorways for our youth to go and work outside, pursue their careers, achieve success and excellence.
Sir, process to as students can join
The process is that first of all we discuss with the companies in Japan what is their requirement. After that we share that with our institutional partners, the colleges, the nursing institutes, the training facilities, and also the Nagaland Skill Mission. Iru pichide select hua pichide tahange Japanese language learning kure in the Center for Excellence for Foreign Languages under Nagaland University. The students are getting Japanese language training. They are also getting sensitized how to be job ready for Japan. And all these students and candidates, their fees are subsidized by the state government. 8 companies have come this time from Japan to carry out interviews. All these companies are recommended by the Kochi government, and we hope that in the future similar programs, more companies will join us.
Tekani Manhe, Saiti TV.